Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose up to 30 pounds in 30 days. That means 1 pound per day, okay? Now this is a powerful fat burning smoothie. This is going to slim your body down. This is going to boost you up with antioxidants, fiber, lots of nutrients, lots of minerals, okay? Vitamins, the whole nine. So let me show you some of the things you're going to be needing for this. So you're going to need 1 cucumber. Alright, this is not organic, so I de-skinned it. You're also going to need a cup of fresh spinach. Okay, fresh spinach. You're also going to need 2 kiwis. Okay, I already de-skinned the kiwis. You're also going to need a half a grapefruit. And we're going to be using our personal size blender. So if you have a big blender cup, that's needed. Okay. I'm also going to be working with some coconut water. Okay. As well as my maple syrup. Okay. But for now, let's start this video. And we're going to start off by putting our cup of spinach inside of our blender cup. Okay. Next, I'm just going to slice my kiwis and put that in my blender cup as well. Love kiwis. Ooh, delicioso. Okay. Next, you're going to take your cucumbers and slice those into pieces. Okay, and pop that in your cup. Okay. Now you're going to be using a half a grapefruit, and we're just going to be taking it down, carving out the meaty part. Like I said in another video, you guys, when you have your citrus skins, instead of throwing them out, save them, because you can use them in the water to steam your face. And being that we're going through this whole, virus thing, these are wonderful for your steam water. So save your peels, whether it be your grapefruit, your lemon, or your lime, or even your orange peels. Save them. Okay. So I'm just going to slice this up into pieces and just take that vein out. And pop that in your cup. If you get seeds in there, it's okay. If not, it's alright too. Okay. Next, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of our coconut water. This is so good. And last, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of our maple syrup. Okay, so now we're just going to blend this up. Alright, you guys, and there you have it, this wonderful, powerful, fat-burning smoothie. Like I said, you can lose up to 30 pounds in 30 days. You drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. This can also be a meal replacement. So you can also use this or drink this as a breakfast smoothie, okay? So this is powerful, you guys. Like I said, drink this every day for 30 days. And you're going to see some shrinkage in your body. In your stomach area, you're going to see that stubborn belly going down. Alright? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. Also check down below for the links for the personal and the full-size NutriBullet blenders, as well as the wonderful metal straws. As well as also check in my eBay store for herbs and spices that will help you to shrink, lose weight, as well as boost up your immune system. Okay, these are important days that we need to keep our immune system boosted and our bodies healthy. Okay, as well as check my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, fashion hauls, family vlogs, and more. Okay. And you guys, thank you so much for joining me again on this video. Be safe, be healthy, and don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And I got more videos coming your way. Alright? So I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel. And this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.